Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up the Yahoo email account on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and on the home screen make sure that you have already downloaded Samsung email. You can go to the Play Store and download Samsung email. So search for the Samsung email and download it. After that, you can tap on the open button to open up Samsung email, and from here you can tap on the menu key and then tap on the settings icon and then tap on account. Now if you haven't got another email account already set up, then you normally come to the page where it says set up email, and in here you can tap on Yahoo. Okay, next we're going to need to put in your Yahoo email account. yahoo.com.au, and then just tap on the next button. Okay, after that you need to put in your Yahoo email account password. Now put in the password and tap on the next button. I'm just going to save the password for now. Okay, once you have put in the password and verify your account, tap on the agree button. Now you can also download and install the native Yahoo Mail app as well if you don't want to use the Samsung email app. And it's asked me to give it a review, so I'm just going to choose not really for now. And now it will download all the emails from your Yahoo account, and that's it. So that is how you can set up the Yahoo email account with your Samsung email app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And give it a few seconds to sync down all your emails. You can tap on the menu key here and then tap on your Yahoo email account, and here you can also go into settings. So tap on settings and then tap on your Yahoo email account, and from here you can choose what to sync, which folder to sync, and how often you want to sync your email account, and whether you want to show images or not, and if you want to change your email signature, you can do it in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.